Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to my channel at Colorful Creations. If it's your first time here, I post every Sunday and Thursday morning. And it just so happens that this Canada Day falls on a Thursday this year, so I had to do something for Canada Day. So I'm gonna pour on this vase, and I'm gonna do red and white for Canada Day. Pretty simple, right? So I'm going to show you what I have here. I have an art panel. It's wooden, a wooden art panel, and I have it primed in white gesso. There's a video I did on priming them. It's in the description if you want to watch that. And I have two paint bottles here, taped together, reinforced really good, so I can elevate the canvas off of this and let the paint run. I couldn't find anything else that was the right size because I need to. I'll just show you. I'm just going to sit that there, and then the base goes on top. Then I can pour the paint and it can freely run off. And then whatever falls onto the canvas, I'm gonna tilt and make a matching painting to go with it. So I will just sit this here for now. I'm gonna use Brilliant Red by Mont Marte, and I have a little bit of metallic red added to it because I want a little bit of a shimmer. And I have Titanium White by Mont Marte. It's just two colors for this. They're mixed how I always mix my paints. There's a link to a video in the description if you want to watch that. All right, so I am going to just give these a little shake. All right, and I'm going to use the split cup. I got this way overpriced on Etsy, like, I don't know, remember, like 80 bucks or something. It was crazy. I think you can get it much cheaper now on Amazon. It's washed, it's just, you know, have paint sticks there. So I'm gonna fill it up. This holds 16 ounces. I found I need that much to cover the vase completely and then have enough to do the panel underneath. So there's 6 slots. I'm gonna do each color twice. So I haven't done anything to prep the vase other than wash it, make sure it's dry, and also make sure the sticker's off the bottom. So I'm just gonna leave this sit for 10-15 minutes till it stops running so much, and then I'll move it out of the way and tilt the panel. Okay, this has stopped dripping. Well, it's dripping, it stopped running. So it will change a little more. It's gonna keep running until it dries. So I'm gonna move this out of the way to a safe place where it can sit for a couple of weeks before I add the resin, and I'm gonna finish the panel. Try to tilt this around, and there's some pink happening where the red and white are mixing, but I'm hoping that's not going to happen to all of it. Look. So I will cover this in resin just like the vase, so they'll be matching set. So this will sit for 3 weeks just like the vase, and we'll be back. Okay, here is the vase finished. It's resin on it. I have a tutorial on adding the resin, and I'll put that in the description if you want to see it. This is so pretty. I'm gonna show you this out in the sun. It's gonna be so much nicer. And then here is the panel. Whichever way you want to do it. Pretty. Here it is in the sun. Absolutely beautiful. It's just shining like crazy. Happy Canada Day.